This is Ice Cream Gecko, and in today's video we're going to do a little boil test with the Trangia burner with the little cross stand on top of it and the Tatonka 350ml mug. Maybe it's a 500ml mug, but I use the most upper fill line of 350ml right here. So let me get the little burner started. You really have to wait for these sometimes to bloom up first, because when you put the pot on this thing right now, it really is at risk to just go out entirely very quickly again, which is a bit unfortunate sometimes. I try to do that a couple of times, try to save some fuel, some time, but most often that doesn't really work. Now this right here is not a really a brand stand at all. I bought this for €4 on, I think, Amazon back at that particular point in time. And basically this part right here where that hole is, left from my finger, that's basically the distance from the pot to the lip of the Trangia, and that's about 15mm. So if you've got something similar to this one right here, and you come roughly to that number, you will probably get a very similar result to mine. Now this looks actually quite decent now. I think we are almost ready to put this on. Let me get my little recently acquired Chinesium thermometer. Lovely little item. More accurate than I thought. It does come close to my classic petroleum thermometer. Let's put this in. 25 degrees of water temperature right here. I'm sorry you can't really see that too well. Let me finish this off with the top on there, and let's start the timer and see how long this particular one takes in boiling this 350ml of water. Right now you can hear a few noises that this particular pot is making. We're getting up to temperature right here. About 77 degrees, 78 now, at about 5 minutes and 20 seconds. Let's see how long the last 20 degrees take. We are now at 90 degrees at 6 minutes 15. We've got 10 more degrees to go. About 11, this thermometer goes up to 101 at a full boil. We take the top right here just to take a quick look at it. It is getting really close to the full boil. 6 degrees to go. 5. 4. And you can really hear the rumble now. Getting closer, getting closer. And now you can really hear the shift in the tone. And we are pretty much at a full boil. Now this will increase to 101. And you can see right here, full rolling boil. This is exactly what we want. Alright, now this was the second test run that I did. I will note the exact time in the next 3 runs that I'm going to do. I'll take the average of those, and I will see you in Excel. So here we are in Excel now. I prepared a little table just to make this a bit more neat. We did this on the 3rd of May 2021. We used the Trangia burner. We used the little off-brand cross stand. We had no windshield. We used regular spirit from the brand GSK, and the water temperature was right about 25 degrees Celsius. In the first measured run, the boil time was at about 418 seconds, in the second one 443, and the third one was very close to that at 442 seconds. The average time is therefore about 434.3 seconds. I can just delete that decimal point. It's really not necessary for this particular application. And just as a little bonus, we've got the standard deviation of about 14. So we're looking here at about 7 minutes and 14 seconds of boil time with the Trangia burner for 350ml at about a height of 70 to 85 meters above sea level. So far, so good. I mean, this is not taking forever with the Trangia burner, and when you just want to heat up some some ready-made meal out of a can or something, this is certainly fine. And for a drink, this is also fine, depending on where you use these alcohol stoves and depending on the outside temperature, for example. Those numbers vary quite a bit, but this is just to give you a little bit of an idea what these things behave like in this particular environment in my room. I'm going to repeat this test the next time with the Avenue burner, that titanium burner. I expect that one to be quite a bit quicker than the Trangia one, but we will see how much quicker it will be. It certainly left a bit more of a rapid impression on me when I used that one for the first time on a little trial run. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. If you've got a question or a video suggestion, leave it in the comment section down below. If you want to see more videos just like this one, please subscribe. Thanks again for watching, and I hope I'm going to see you soon. Until then, bye bye.